Welcome back to another video, and today we are opening Twilight Masquerade, and we just opening. We know what the chase card is in here, and it's been some time since people have pulled it. Okay, code card. One. Ooh, fire. Let's see if we can get some fire. Can we get some fire? Can we get some fire? Ooh, okay. Ooh, we got a full art. Ooh, well, that's the hit for today, y'all. The Twilight Masquerade. Put these in my trade binder for Sunday. If you like the video, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.